Welcome back to the channel Fix Point. In this video I am going to tell you how you can transfer Paysafecard to PayPal. If you want to transfer Paysafecard to PayPal, please like this video and subscribe our channel. So first of all, I'm going to tell you there is no any way you cannot directly send your money from Paysafe to PayPal. You need to use third party application to transfer your funds from Paysafe to PayPal. This application name is transferbay.organization. Click on this website. Then here you need to enter your card code of your Paysafe card. Then enter your email and then enter that amount that you want to transfer. Then you need to note only 3% fees on transaction higher than 25 euro. So click on transfer button. Your money will be transferred to Paysafecard to PayPal. I hope this video was helpful to you. If really helpful, please like this video and subscribe our channel for more tips and tricks.